Look at that. Yateley Pads Lake. The famous Yateley Pads Lake. 3 Winklers. Paul couldn't be with us, unfortunately, and we're here to celebrate his 70th birthday. What was it, heron? That was nice. Thank you very much. We're going to celebrate it by hopefully banking one of the beautiful fish that are in this lake. Yeah, I'm on a swim called the Point. Steve Smith is in the weedy bay just to my right, and Steve H is in a swim called Waiting Man's Swim. 6 fish came out of that last week, so he's in with a good chance. But we've split up, so we've got a bank each, you know, and the fish can't find refuge, in theory. But we'll see, we'll see. We got here about 10 o'clock this morning, met by Dave the bailiff, who walked us around it and showed us some spots and told us a bit of a history of the place, which was very, very informative. So we're settling down for the first night now. Expectations are not great. That's not being negative, it's being realistic, so we'll see what occurs. Good morning, world. Tuesday morning, Yateley Pads Lake. Nothing to report, I don't think. If the boys have had any, they've kept it quiet. I certainly wouldn't have. Note here, beautiful clear night, moon about 3/4 lit everything up. It was beautiful, beautiful night. So we're in with the chance of a sunrise. Kerry's happy. Balls. Morning, world. As you can see, Pads Lake, Yateley, still here, but still no action. Amazing night. Really, really warm for late October. You'd think there'd be some action, and there were a couple rolling. Did actually see a couple rolling. The Aurora Borealis is hard to say this time of the morning. Hard to say any time of the morning, actually, or any time of the day. I was supposed to be out last night, although there was a strong possibility, but we had cloud cover, so I haven't heard from the chaps, but I think I would have if they'd had a fish. So we'll keep on keeping on. Look, this bloody lunatic's here already. He's off his head. He would. Go up. Don't you. No, no. No, no.
Thursday morning.
And a Yateley carp.
A Yateley carp. And a lovely common.
Beautiful. Old beastie. How he got that bait in his mouth, I will never know.
He must have had help from his mates.
Yeah. Go on, you can have it.
£15 3.
Yeah.
The two Steves and Kerry.
And what a surprise. This one's for you, Paul.
Hey.
Right.
Probably still hungry.
And away.
And away. Oh,
Oh, just sitting there.
he seems happy. I've got him. There he goes. Clear water.
Isn't it? He's just going to stick his head in the weed.
He's probably thinking, what the hell's going on now? After all that, I'm free. Hey.
Off he goes.
And away. Oh, it's beautiful, isn't it? Look at that.
Put the floaters out.
Yes!
He's gone. Well done, guys.
The morning after the night before. There's a Paul Rogers song, that is. And apart from the gunshots in the distance and the sirens, it's idyllic. So, actually managed to fish last night. Didn't think I would. It was starting to look that way, but was fortunate to catch one. A Yateley carp. Who'd have believed it? Who'd have believed it? So let's hope one of the other guys gets one tonight. Morning world. That's it. The end of our 5 days at Yateley. It's Friday the 25th. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning and we due off 9:30, something like that. Nothing again in the night for any of us. There were a couple of bosh in, but so be it. It's proper carp fishing, this place. It's been high pressure all week, which has been great. Weather-wise, very pleasant to be out in, but not necessarily the best fishing weather. I think I've only seen 5 or 6 fish boshing all week, and one on the bank. Let's not forget that. So it's been a lovely time, lovely time. Could have spent some time with the two Steves. Thank you for your sterling company, and Paul, I hope you get the opportunity to get you at some point, and huge thanks for the week, much appreciated. Notch on the bedpost, as they say. So that's it. Over and out. No more ums and ahs. See you, folks. Oh, that was close. What a stupid idea. That's sitting in a bucket.